Hi guys, Tech on the Brain here, back with another video. Just got a little midweek video for you here. You might have seen my previous video where I'm complaining about people still using USB Type A. So instead of using a mouse which relied on USB Type A, I bought the Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro Special Edition. Now, this is a wireless gaming mouse featuring Corsair's slipstream wireless technology or Bluetooth. It's got RGB, an ultra polling rate of 2000 Hertz. It has 18,000 DPI, 8 programmable buttons, and this particular one, as it's the special edition, is QI wireless charging compatible. So let's get into the unboxing. On one side of the box we've got Win without wires. On the back of the box we've just got a list of some of the device's features. So see if I can focus that. Not that focused, but should be okay once I stabilised it. So some features just there. Just got a picture of the mouse here with some more branding. And on the front I've already showed you an image of the product. So yeah, I'll be with you once I've unboxed the device. Inside the box's biggest cardboard insert, we have the Dark Core RGB Pro SE itself. If you flip that, there we are, flip that piece over, you've got your 2.4 gigahertz adapter. And I think this might be to do with the replaceable side grips. Now, yes, this mouse does support Bluetooth, but the 2.4 gigahertz adapter uses Corsair's slipstream technology. We also have some product literature and a braided USB-C to USB-A cable for charging. Now, the special edition which I bought does support QI wireless charging or Qi wireless charging, but I think QI sounds more like how it is because that's how it's spelled. You need to buy a QI charging mat separately. However, many of you may have that to charge your phones wirelessly. So yeah, I think for about £5 or £10 extra, it was worth having that technology. So thanks for watching this little mini mid-upload schedule upload. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this mid-schedule upload won't become a regular thing, only I got it today, and once you've put it back in, you've opened it and then put it back in the box, the magic of doing an unboxing video sort of dies. So as always, this is Tech on the Brain, out.